the sense is most important physical layer in a terms, because if the physical connection is not there between source and destination, of course, you have nice devices up there, you have nice application up there, nice pieces up there. But if the physical connection is not there or broken, or maybe it's not working as expected, then of course there is no point having even the communication. So as you can see, the information from source to the destination, encapsulation and de-encapsulation, we discuss this. Every layer adds its own header, application add data, then the data, then of course header. So all these layers add the header, and you can see once it reaches to the physical, actually, the physical just have some signals. Okay, whatever is coming from the upper layer, it can be just signals on that, nothing else. And you can see the bits and bytes, sorry, bits 0 1 0 1, that's it. The network devices and devices, they do not understand the application TCP, IP addressing, subnet mask. They don't have no idea. They only understand 0 1, or maybe just some signals are coming from the other side. Okay, so physical layer, as you can see, the electronic signals are coming from the copper layer. If there is a light like fiber optics, there is a light travel as well. I will show you in a minute. Microwave, of course, there is whenever we talk about the distance point of view, like the wireless, all those things. So there are AM, AFM, PM. We already know these things from the radio, right? From the radio, AM, FM, PM, we already know there are waves are traveling to us. Okay, so copper, in the copper there is electric signals, in the fiber optic there is a light, right, light travel, and in the microwave signal there is a wireless layer, wireless are traveling there. So you can see the upper layer, from the application to data link layer, we have the standards are implemented in the software and governed by IETF. So most likely these layers are not visible to any user. The only thing is visible is the cable or the physical media. And that physical standards are implemented in hardware and not governed by many organizations. There is ISO, there is EIA, TIA, there are ITU, ITUT, NC, IEEE. So here all these standards are governed by IETF. But all the physical layer, there are many other vendors or other standardizations are as well. Because some standards, they are part of the LAN, some standards are part of the WAN. So, and many others are still there or maybe obsolete as well. Okay, ISO is there, EIA, TIA, so there are many standards for LAN, WAN, communication. But all the upper layers, IETF is responsible. Why we need a standard, by the way?
So, devices can communicate in the same manner.
Yeah. So everyone is following the same rules and